Hello there.
Sometimes they eat like sometimes they don't.
Look, they're pregnant. Look, they're
I
pregnant.
had Mexican food for lunch.
And she's
Tilted that way because I can't see anything. Whoa!
food baby. She literally has a food baby.
My food baby has food babies.
There's like food trippers.
Oh my
I have a
goodness.
food litter.
I didn't realize it was going.
Notice the demented look on this horse's face. It's like to be like scary, like holding on to the reins for dear life type thing. Trying to enjoy this.
Isn't it? It's hard.
You're all like, baby, in my belly.
I think she's there. She needs to eventually.
I'm kind of a bad advertiser. There you go.
White horsey.
I know.
She's like, my little baby girl, a short cut. The full strong with this one. I love it so much.
It is scary.
Scary horse.
It is demented.
Very scary horse.
I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this at all. That's fucking flowers right now. Possibly not here. You're like an evil villain. Vampires and banners. Alien vampires and banners.